Hey guys, this is Skyler Hines and I am on site of one of my new construction listings here in East Hollywood. They're all 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and they're townhouse style with garages on the first level, 2 ensuite bedrooms on the second, and on the third you've got your living space as well as a flex room that can be used as a bedroom or as an additional den or office. I'm going to take you upstairs and show you a little bit about what we have. On the second level here, you've got 2 master suites. Bathrooms, highest level, luxury when it comes to the fixtures, the countertops, amazing penny mosaic tile on the back wall. So here's our second bedroom suite. Again, a really nice size here. Also has amazing bathroom. Another great feature in this townhouse is that it has side-by-side washer-dryers on the floor with the bedrooms. So this will come equipped with a washer and dryer. There will be plantation doors, so we will hide the laundry area, but you also got storage in there. It's nice space that's given to laundry. This is our living space in the townhouse, and as you can see, it's a really open space that you can design in multiple different ways wherever you want to have your living room, kitchen, however your lifestyle works. This great countertop, custom made, great place to eat breakfast. This is all you need as far as eating. You can use it for every meal. Stainless steel appliances, big basin sink, black matte finish fixtures here, all top of the line. Here you have one of the living area spaces that can be used. This kind of spills into this secondary room, what we like to call flex room. This room, it can be an office, it could be a den, and it could also be a bedroom. Because one of the options, if you lease one of these properties, is to get barn doors installed. If you really wanted to have privacy in this room, you could have it. Also on the same floor as the living area, along with that flex room, you also have a full bath here. If you have a guest, they don't need to use the bathrooms down in the suites. So everything's kind of complete. We've thought about this as a place where people are going to want to entertain. It's a place where people are going to want to show off a little bit.